Hi class, a science mystery for you. I think you're going to like this one. What you want to do is take a piece of 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, cut it into a fairly thin strip of about 1 inch, pass this out to your students, and have your students just bring the corners of this piece of paper together and take your piece of tape and tape it so that you have a ring. So you have a ring here. Now class, how many sides does this ring have?
2.
That's exactly right. It's got an outside and an inside. Now how can we show that it's got 2 sides? Well, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to take your pen and let's call this outside S1, side 1, and go ahead and start to draw a line all the way beginning at S1 and just keep on tracing and keep on tracing a straight line. Keep on tracing a straight line. Now, did you end up back where you started from at side 1? We're almost there. I'm rushing everybody a little bit. You ended right back up where you did on side 1. Did you go to the back to the inside? No. And we're not going to do that, but you can clearly see that we have the outside and the inside. Just by dragging our pencil along, we have that one outside and the one inside. Now, let's take this to the next level, and what I want you to do is take that piece of paper and bring it together, but before you tape it, and here's the interesting part, just give it one twist. So give it that one twist and then tape it together. Here's your piece of tape, Zachary. Here's your piece of tape, Allison. And once again, rather than just putting it together like that, just give it one twist. It doesn't matter if it's a clockwise or a counterclockwise twist. Give it one twist and then tape that piece of paper together. Now the question is, class, how many sides does this object have? 1 or 2? Does it have an outside? Does it have an inside? Well, let's check. Let's do our same experiment. Let's put S1 there. And try to do it without picking your pencil up and just kind of like drag that pencil across. You might have to pick it up just a little bit, but drag that pencil across. Keep dragging it 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 across.
Got it.
What did you get?
Back where I started.
You got back to where you started? Now let's take a look at the paper. Did you mark on both sides of that paper?
Yes, I did.
And did you pick up that pen and go to the other side?
No.
No. See, we didn't pick up the pen and go to the other side, and there was one side on the outside and a blank side on the inside, and yet this, even though we didn't pick up our pen and go across, we put a line on both sides. Well, this object is a very interesting object, and in fact, it's got its own name. It's called a Möbius strip, and this only has one side. And the interesting part about a thing like this, you can use that in the olden days when they had belts that made out of leather and they wanted it to wear on the outside and the inside. Rather than just wearing on the inside, they would give it a twist. And it would spin through and it would wear on the outside and the inside. It would get twice the wear out of those things. So this is a Möbius strip, and I've got some good art links for you. You'll see some ants and some other things walking around on this one-sided object. But this is a lot of fun to share with your students. Very inexpensive, very easy to do. A one-track piece of the one-track Möbius strip. The strip with paper with just one side. Thank you, class. Enjoy looking up the Möbius strip. I'm anxious to see what you find out about it.